So you remember the Your Business Card is Crap guy that blew up YouTube some years back? If not, see link in description, it's worth a watch. Well, that guy got me thinking, is there a way to make an over-the-top, crazy expensive business card, I'm talking $10 per piece, without it being completely gaudy and tasteless? Stay tuned and let's find out.
B-R-I-N-T peppermint bread.
Imagine making laser cutouts on a sheet of stainless steel, then gluing that to a layer of wood in such a way that you can peer through the holes in the metal to reveal the stunningly beautiful grain of cherry wood behind. I've been designing and selling high-end printing for more than 15 years, and it's been a really long time since I've updated my business card. My old one-color letterpress card is super nice, but pretty basic. Since we're an online business, I can honestly say I don't get a whole lot of opportunities to hand anyone a card, but when we opened up our new office in Berlin, I started doing a lot more face-to-face meetings, and I wanted to create the ultimate conversation starter. So I challenged myself and my team to design and print the most ambitious business card this world has ever seen. So how did we make this beast? First, I reached out to one of my favorite designers and my very dear friend Taro to create the design. I told him my idea was to find a clever way to marry the beauty of stainless steel and wood together, and he got it right away. I decided on a standard rectangle at 85 by 55 millimeters with rounded corners, since the metal can be sharp and pokey otherwise. I knew I wanted a thick but not annoyingly fat card, so we went with 0.38 millimeter thick steel and glued that to 0.82 millimeters of wood, resulting in a thickness of 1.2 millimeters. I told him I wanted something clean, minimal, and modern, and explained that the piece would be used as my personal card, so we didn't necessarily need to stick to our regular print peppermint branded style. We looked at samples of the 8 wood types we typically use for our projects, and both agreed that the color and grain of cherry would be best suited for my piece. We also looked at the various types of metal and coatings as well, and ultimately decided for the smooth, unfinished stainless steel, as it had the most minimal look, which wouldn't draw attention away from the beautiful cherry wood grain. So with our materials chosen, Taro fired up Illustrator and got to work designing. A couple of days later, he emailed me these 3 amazing concepts for review. Concept 1 focused on a centered monogram cutout, and I love the way he removed just one corner to sort of tease the viewer into turning over the card. Concept 2 was very energetic with this geometric pattern cutout and the centered monogram laser etched instead of cut out this time. Concept 3 was also very cool with this sort of topographical pattern to be laser engraved into the wood. It was a very hard choice indeed. But in the end, I went with Concept 1 because I just liked the simplicity of it. Considering the design, materials, and handwork involved, these cards would retail for around $10 per piece, so a set of 1,000 would sell for somewhere around $10,000. And that doesn't even include shipping. These cards are super dense and heavy, weighing each about 13.5 grams, so a package of 1,000 would be 13.5 kilos, shipping for $25 to $35 domestically or almost $80 internationally. In summary, I can confidently say we achieved our goal of creating the most expensive luxury business card humanly possible. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. To me, these cards are truly perfect. The character and design perfectly matches the natural beauty of these 2 materials. Everything about this card speaks to the creativity and manufacturing wisdom we have worked so hard to refine here at Print Peppermint. Well, That'll be enough out of me for today. I hope this video was helpful, entertaining, or at the least has inspired your creativity in exploring the vast possibilities of the world of print and design. If you have any questions or would like to discuss producing a project of your own, feel free to shoot us an email to info@printpeppermint.com. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.